In this GymRat Recruiting Index tutorial, we're going to demonstrate for you how to add an authorized user to your GymRat Recruiting Index player profile. Now, before we do that, just a quick reminder that any authorized user has full access to your profile, meaning they can edit any of your player information, any of your recruiting information. So before you add somebody as an authorized user, make sure that they are indeed a trusted source and somebody who you want to give the keys to your profile. So right now we are in one of our sample profiles. So this is the advisory level sample. You can always tell your current subscription level here by the badge that appears right next to your profile photo. So here, this is an advisory level profile. We have the profile dashboard menu. This is where you'll be able to operate the process in order to add an authorized user. We'll go ahead and do that. You'll click on your player info. You're on authorized users. That opens a dialog box that shows you the current authorized users on any account. So here you have the player and the parent that are both listed as authorized users. As a standard, the creator of the profile is automatically an authorized user and can add additional authorized users. In addition, if you're playing in a GymRat event and you create your player profile and verify your roster data, anybody who verifies the roster data, meaning a player or a parent, are both added as authorized users. For those that come in from the general public, the person that creates the account will be the only authorized user, but they have the ability to add additional authorized users. So we're in this screen. In order to add an authorized user, you're going to go ahead and click on that plus button right here. That'll open a new dialog box. Now in this dialog box, you're going to type in the name of the person, first few letters of their last name that you want to add as an authorized user. Always needs to be a person that's in our existing GymRat database. So it doesn't have to be a player, it just has to be anybody who has access to our system. So in the same way that you have an account to, say, use Amazon, you have to have an account, which is free, to have access to the GymRat Recruiting Index. That's how we track who is in the system and who is doing what operations within the system. So here we're going to add this player's coach, whose last name is Sample. So I type in those first three letters of Sample. I see three listed here. Two of them are the player and parent that are already on this account. And here's the coach. I'm going to go ahead and click on the coach, click submit. And that coach is automatically added here as an authorized user. Then if you note, you can also remove that person at any point in time because they weren't involved in the creation of the account. So if some point down the road you decide that you want to remove an authorized user, you just come to the same spot, click remove, and they will be deleted. That's today's tutorial on how to add an authorized user to any GymRat Recruiting Index player profile.